What's up, everybody? So today we're going to be unboxing the Asus VG279. This is a gaming monitor with a 27-inch IPS screen, 1 millisecond response time, and 144 hertz. I play on an Xbox One, so that 144 doesn't really matter to me because Xbox, all consoles only go up to 60 hertz. There's a little bit of the other specs on it, on the gaming monitor, and I'm going to be showing you guys the unboxing part in just a few seconds. So enjoy. And I'm back. So that was an extremely easy setup. All you gotta do is hook up the stand and the monitor to the base and then just screw it on tight. These are all the different cables that come in the box. It's two HDMI cables, a display port cable, DVI, power, and an auxiliary cord. And right here I'm just showing you guys the different ports that it has. So it'll give you guys your different options. You can see right there that it allows the monitor to go into landscape or portrait mode, obviously, and then you can just move it up and down, and you can tilt from side to side, which is extremely cool. I'm always gonna have it just facing forward. I don't really need to turn it any other way. And right here I'm just turning on the monitor just to show you guys how cool this whole little setup looks, and voila. So I think that it would actually look better, but because I actually have to edit the video on the KineMaster and I don't actually have I'm not a paying subscriber, so my phone records this at 1080p, but I can only edit at 720. So I just feel like it takes away a little bit because this is a 1080p monitor. But I mean, it still looks way better than what I was playing on before, which was an old Samsung TV that was pretty, like, it was still an HD TV, but it was pretty thick, and it was just one of those really old ones, and I couldn't even see the whole screen. Some of the stuff would get cut off sometimes, so it would just kind of mess me up. Right there in the back we have the menu, and right here you got the different game visuals that you can play on. This is not my first gaming monitor. I did have the VG245H, and that was a 24-inch gaming monitor. That was I guess it was specifically for consoles, which was actually pretty cool because it did come off saying console ready. I always play on the FPS mode. But anyways, back to the other monitor. I actually think this one's already better. Like, because it's an IPS screen, I feel like the colors I feel like the screen and the game look better in general. And it's a gaming monitor, and I did my little research right here. And an IPS, when you have an IPS screen, you're kind of, well, when you have a TN, you're kind of giving up a little bit of like visual looks, but you get that 1 millisecond response time. And then this monitor is an IPS, so you're actually getting better visuals, and you're not giving up that 1 millisecond response time because this one has it also. So I just thought that was really cool. And I mean, obviously, as I play on it a little bit more, I'm gonna get a little bit more experience, and I'm gonna know whether or not there is a difference. As of right now, I'm enjoying this one way more just because of the 27-inch screen. Again, most of the stuff doesn't really matter in my opinion, just because I'm playing on a console and I don't really need any of the extra features that it has, but any of the extra features that it comes with, but I just got it because of the 27-inch screen. This one does come with speakers, just in case maybe you don't want to plug in your headphones. You know, you got your speaker option, but the speaker's not that great. Just let me, so you can hear out real quick how loud it sounds. I'm just gonna pause the voice and let the sound of the game play.
Volume doesn't go down when you plug in a PlayStation, like with your headset. Like, I guess because I don't know why it's weird, but because it's connected, the whole volume just goes down. And then just holds the other. It only has one HDMI, and it has a DVI, and it comes with a DVI cable. Display port. Not really sure what that one is, because some of the stuff is for PCs. So since I'm using it with the Xbox.
So that was the volume at like around 38, in the 30s. I know it's not that loud, but if you do want to hear the full volume, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to drop a video. I still got to do a full review on it anyways, and in that video I will record at 100 just so you guys can see how loud the speakers are. But that's it. This is how the monitor looks. It looks amazing. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. hit the subscribe button for future unboxing videos. And thanks for watching.